You make me sing about happy things in you. Make my heart ring. I feel just like a spoonful of joy. I twirl like a toy, rushing with sunshine, lifting my voice. You just make me want to sing. I'm taken in. I feel warm and toasty. I just love it when you got this way of bringing me up, smoothing me out, rounding my edges, trashing the rut. You just make me want to sing. I see you here beside me. It's better than before. You sail me straight to happy with so much more in store. I can't contain this stirring urge of singing. Do 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 do. You make me sing like daydream inspired blue, fresh morning wind. Each whisper of you flows round my mind, drifts out of time, bounces through heaven, 'cause you're so divine. You just make me want to sing. I see you here beside me. It's better than before. You sail me straight to happy with so much more in store. I can't contain this stirring urge of singing. Do 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 do. You make me wanna sing. Do 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 do. Yes, you make me wanna sing. Do 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 do. You make me wanna sing.
All my friends have been proposing, and I'm still living on my own. They're always asking, am I lonely? Like I needed to be told. And sitting at the singles table, it's starting to get old. I know I'm more than just a label, and I need someone to hold. Wherever you are, lover, come home to me. Wherever you are, lover, come home to me. And all this useless information designed to help me find my way. It's saying I should be out dating, but you know I've been okay. Wherever you are, lover, come home to me. Wherever you are, lover, come home to me. friends have been proposing, and I'm still living on my own. All my friends have been proposing, and I have just been getting old.